7 days. That's all Noah had. 7 days to load every animal, seal the door, and prepare for the end of the world. Genesis 7 is the countdown to total planetary destruction. 40 days of rain, 150 days of silence, and only 8 people left alive. This isn't a bedtime story. This is the most catastrophic reset in human history. Let's walk through it. God gives Noah one final command. 7 days from now, I will send rain. This isn't a casual suggestion. It's a strict countdown to the end of the world as they know it. And here's the detail that stops you cold. Noah is 600 years old. This immediately signals we're dealing with a time and reality completely different from ours. The clock is officially ticking. 7 days to prepare. Then the world ends. Noah receives specific instructions. Bring animals, but not just any animals. Clean animals, 7 pairs. Unclean animals, just 1 pair. Why the difference? That becomes important later. And the forecast? Spelled out with terrifying clarity. Rain will fall for 40 days and 40 nights. Nonstop, relentless. This is the warning. The countdown is real, and there's no turning back. Picture the scene. A massive, orderly procession. Every kind of animal, lions, elephants, birds, insects, walking onto the ark in pairs. It's chaotic, yet somehow perfectly organized. And the passengers? Just 8 people. Noah, his wife, their 3 sons, and their wives. 8 humans tasked with repopulating the entire planet. The weight of that responsibility is staggering. But before they can think about the future, they have to survive what's coming. This is the most definitive moment in the story. The door closes. But here's the detail most people miss. Noah doesn't close it. God does. The text says God sealed the door from the outside. This isn't just a door closing. It's the point of no return. The countdown hits 0. Inside the ark, life. Outside, death. The separation is final. The flood doesn't come from just one direction. It's a dual attack. Rain pours from the sky, 40 days and nights without stopping. But that's not all. The fountains of the deep burst open. Underground waters erupt. This suggests massive geological upheaval. Earthquakes, fissures, the earth itself tearing apart. The water didn't just fall down, it exploded up. Day 7, a flood begins. Day 47, the rain finally stops. But the destruction? It's just beginning. To help us wrap our heads around the scale, the text gives one staggering detail. The water didn't just reach the mountains, it rose more than 22 feet above the highest peaks. Every mountain on Earth was submerged. This wasn't a regional disaster. This was total planetary submersion. The entire world became an ocean. And everything outside the ark? Gone. The text doesn't soften the blow. It states the consequence in the starkest terms possible. Every living thing on dry land was wiped out. People, animals, birds, everything. There's no ambiguity, no survivors hiding in caves or floating on debris. The sole exception? 8 people and the animals inside the ark. That's it. The entire human population is now a single family, floating on a silent, remade world. Even after the rain stopped, the water stayed. For 150 days, 5 months, the planet remained completely submerged. Imagine the isolation. No land in sight, just water in every direction. Endless silence. The ark floats in a world that no longer exists. And as the days stretch on, the question becomes, when the waters finally recede, how do you even begin again? What does it mean to restart humanity from scratch? We've walked through the countdown, the cataclysm, and the silence. Before you go, sit with these questions. First, God sealed the door from the outside. Noah couldn't open it, and no one else could get in. When have you felt locked into a situation beyond your control, And how did you respond? Second, 8 people survived to rebuild everything. If you were tasked with starting over, what would you carry forward, and what would you leave behind? 2 questions. Breathe. Let them settle.